Let's create this beautiful crochet floral bandana in today's video. Hello and welcome back to Boho-Chic. You will be needing the following materials. Once you have gathered all 15 floral motifs, sew layers of 5, 4, 3, and 2 crochet floral motifs together using the same colored yarn as your petals. In this project, the yarn used is violet on petals 1 and 4, weaving in any loose ends. Line up the layers, adding the last floral piece at the bottom, and sew the adjoining petal tips together, weaving in any loose ends. Join your beige yarn at one corner of the petal and chain 1. Round 1. Hook in 3 single crochets or 3 single crochet increase in the first stitch. Repeat this pattern, chain 5. Single crochet in the next petal tip. Repeat this 18 times. Chain 5, 3 single crochet increase in the next petal tip. Repeat this pattern, chain 5, single crochet in the next petal tip. Repeat this 8 times. Slip stitch in the beginning chain to join. Round 2, chain 3. Double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Repeat this pattern, 5 double crochet in the chain 5 space. Double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this 17 times. Five double crochet in the next chain 5 space. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Repeat this 8 times. 5 double crochet in the next chain 5 space. Slip stitch in the turning chain to join. Round 3, chain 3, half double crochet in the next stitch. Let's create the first tie, chain 51. Slip stitch in the second chain from the hook and in the next 49 chains. Half double crochet in the next 116 stitches. create the second tie, chain 52, slip stitch in the second chain from the hook and in the next 49 chain. Half double crochet in the next 54 stitches. Slip stitch in the beginning chain to join. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. Use different colored yarns to create your own color combination for your crochet floral motif and crochet floral bandana. Until the next video. Thank you for your support and for watching. Happy crocheting!